Spring is here and it's time to garden, but did you know that you need to run to your local Dollar Tree if you are one of those shoppers that love garden supplies there? Because the garden supplies, in fact, all the supplies will be going up at Dollar Tree. That's right, Dollar Tree, you heard it right here. Dollar Tree is raising its prices. So I'm going to go into my local Dollar Tree. I'm going to show you what garden supplies they have, and hopefully the prices have not raised at your Dollar Tree, but I can tell you the prices inside my Dollar Tree have increased. So we're going to take a look at some of the garden items here at my local Dollar Tree. If you love gardening, if you snooze, you lose, because this is now $5. These a month ago were $3, and now the bulbs are $5. I don't know if I would even pay $5 for 3 bulbs. You can go to Home Depot and get the same amount for less, or even with more bulbs inside for just $5. You get 3 measly bulbs. So what do you think about that? You think it's worth it? Leave it in the comment section. So if you are gardening, you definitely need to run to Dollar Tree before they change these prices, because lots of them are still $1.25. You see these pruning shears, all of them are $1.25. The gloves also are $1.25. If you are a gardener and you have not gotten your garden supplies at Dollar Tree, you need to run now, because prices will be going up. No more $1.25. They will be going up to $1.50. Now, if you have, the price hike has not started at your store yet, consider yourself lucky. That means that you still have time. But again, time is ticking, and all these items will be going up to $1.50 instead of $1.25. Now, they still have really great bargains. I like this cute, a little decorative, where you can hang this on a tree or a post. It says welcome, and they have this honey bee and the daisy. So yes, the prices are still good here for some garden decorative items, but again, this won't last. And the sun stakes are still $3. You can check this one out. It is really pretty, and it comes with this really cute bell. But again, we are hearing the items, the more pricier items that are $3 and $5, some of them will be going up to $7. Expect to pay somewhere between $3 to $7 on high ticket items here at Dollar Tree. And good news, guys, the pots are still $1.25 here at my local Dollar Tree. Are the pots still $1.25, or have they increased to $1.50 or even $1.75? Let me know in the comment section if most of the garden supplies at your Dollar Tree has spiked, or have they remained the same at $1.25? Would love to chit chat with you and find out if the increase has hit your Dollar Tree store yet. That's a cute little ladybug, but it comes at a price. These decorative items used to be $5, but now guess what? They're $7. That's right, a $2 increase. I have to admit, they are really nice, and I would normally pay $5 for them, but I'm not sure if I want to pay $7 for something in Dollar Tree. Let me know in the comment section. Do you think it's way too pricey? I would love to chit chat about it with you guys. Giving you another look at all the items that used to be $5 that are now $7 wind charms and garden stakes. And here's another price hike. This used to be $1.25. Now it's $5 for garden gloves. And take a look at this plant caddy with wheels. I think this used to be $3. Now it's $5. And could my eyes be playing tricks on me? Is that $12 that I'm looking at for a garden hose? $12. I just can't believe the prices are this high. Now let's talk about the balloons. If you buy balloons, the regular balloons were, I think, $1.50 just for the solid color. Now, if you get balloons here at Dollar Tree, it will be $2 and up. So you'll be paying $2 plus tax for the helium balloons here at Dollar Tree. And I heard like $7?
Yes, some items are in the back,
Oh,
but that won't be until the summer.
until the
Those
summer.
are like chairs and stuff like that.
Oh, chairs?
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
until the summer. Okay.
And guys, look what I found. This is probably $5. They didn't even take this out yet, but I am grabbing that. Isn't that so cute? What do you think that would cost in a Home Goods or Walmart or IKEA? Leave it in the comment section. This bumblebee is coming home with me. That's right. You are coming home with me, little bumblebee. You are coming home with me. Get ready to get into my cart. Guys, look at this cute bird feeder. It is a metal stake bird bath. Now, I'm not sure if you put water in it, but just think about it. You can just put just maybe seeds or bird seeds. Look how cute that would be in your garden. I am so torn between which color to get. Do I get that pink or do I get the fuchsia greenish one? And I think that there's a purple. Which one would you get? Would you even get it? And this is for $5. And they look really, really sturdy too. And as much as there are so much really cool items here, you can't go without a pressure pump. It's so funny. Again, at one of those big box stores, I paid $20 for a pressure sprayer, and it's right here at Dollar Tree for $3. Some more bumblebees that are here that are garden stakes. Oh man, I wish some of this was $3, but most of this is $5. But when it comes to your decor and your garden, you have to have a space that speaks to you. So I don't mind spending the money because it's just going to be really something that's really going to look fantastic when I'm done. If you're looking for some heavy tools, and heavy tools when it comes to Dollar Tree, this is it, a folding pruning saw here at Dollar Tree. I've never seen a folding pruning saw at all. A wildflower garden, you can have it right here. They have so many different varieties. This is Old English, and we have a summer bonnet series. This is so many. We have zinnias that I am definitely going to pick up. And what else do we have here? Let me see. Margarita, a painted daisy margarita. So this is seeds that you can get, that you can sprinkle in your garden or in a pot. And lots of these are also wildflowers too.
Thank you so much for joining me here on my channel, The Determined Gardener. Let me ask you a question. Now that prices have increased, do you think that the seeds are still affordable here at Dollar Tree? Let me know in the comment section. Speaking of gardening and seeds, have you started sowing your seeds yet? Have you started your indoor gardening yet? I happen to have a video showing you how to start your seeds from Dollar Tree Seeds. So you definitely want to check out that video. Keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to give it a like.